Welcome to Unit 1, where we delve into the fascinating world of how technology connects form, meaning, and function. This unit will guide us through understanding the intricate relationships between these elements. Let's explore the comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. Comparatives help us express differences, while superlatives highlight extremes. Understanding these forms is essential for effective communication. Comparatives are used to highlight the differences between two objects. For instance, the ant is smaller than the elephant, and the butterfly is more beautiful than the frog. These comparisons help us describe and differentiate. When comparing using short adjectives, we add and then to the adjective. For example, Sammy is taller than Mar, and the blonde man is stronger than the thin man. This rule simplifies expressing differences. If an adjective ends in one vowel followed by a consonant, we double the consonant and add For example, Salem is fatter than Sod. This rule helps maintain the word's structure while forming comparatives. For adjectives ending in y, we change y to I and add The blue whale is heavier than the shark. This transformation ensures the adjective remains grammatically correct in comparative form. Adjectives ending with e simply require adding r to form comparatives. Batman is braver than Iron Man. This straightforward rule makes it easy to compare using adjectives ending in e. When comparing using long adjectives, we add more before the adjective and then after. Gold is more expensive than silver. This method is ideal for adjectives with 3 or more syllables. For long adjectives, we can also use less before the adjective and then after. Nokia is less expensive than iPhone. This approach helps express lesser degrees in comparisons. There are exceptions in comparative forms, such as good becoming better than, bad becoming worse than, and far becoming farther than. These exceptions are important to remember for accurate comparisons. An example of an exception in comparative forms is Coca-Cola being better than Pepsi. This highlights how certain adjectives have unique comparative forms that differ from the standard rules. Remember, when using comparative forms of adjectives, always follow them with the word than. This ensures clarity and correctness in expressing comparisons. To form superlatives with short adjectives, we add the and est. Sarah is the shortest, and she is the oldest. This rule helps identify the extremes among a group. For superlatives, if an adjective ends in one vowel followed by a consonant, we double the consonant and add est. The red fish is the biggest of all. This maintains the word's integrity while forming superlatives. Adjectives ending in y change y to I and add est for superlatives. The clown with the red hat is the funniest of all. This ensures grammatical accuracy in forming superlatives. For long adjectives, we use the most before the adjective to form superlatives. The diamond is the most expensive of all. This method is perfect for adjectives with 3 or more syllables. Superlative forms also have exceptions, such as good becoming the best, bad becoming the worst, and far becoming the farthest. These exceptions are crucial for accurate expression. The phrase need to be is used for passive constructions, indicating necessity. For example, the TV needs to be fixed, and the car seats need to be cleaned. This structure is useful for expressing required actions. Let's practice writing sentences using need to be done. The phone needs to be fixed, and the shirt needs to be washed. This exercise helps reinforce the passive construction in practical scenarios. The structure have, get something done, is used for passive constructions when someone else performs the service. For instance, I will have, get my house painted tomorrow. This indicates future actions performed by others. Here are examples of using have, get something done. The door needs to be painted, and I have my door painted. The house needs to be built, and I have my house built. These illustrate passive constructions effectively. Past participles can be used as adjectives to describe nouns, especially with transitive verbs. For example, the cell phone was broken, and the laptop was damaged. This usage adds descriptive depth to sentences.